If you need to change your phone number on Zomato, follow these simple steps to update your account information. This will ensure that you receive notifications and updates on your new number. Step 1. Open the Zomato app. Launch the Zomato app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your profile settings. Step 2. Go to Profile Settings. Tap on the profile icon, usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen. From there, navigate to the Settings or Account Settings option. Step 3. Select Account Information. In the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Account Information or Personal Information. This is where you can manage your contact details. Step 4. Update phone number. Find the section for your phone number. Tap on it to edit and enter your new phone number. Make sure to double-check the number for accuracy. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new phone number, look for a Save or Update button to confirm the changes. You may receive a verification code on your new number to complete the update process. Once you have followed these steps, your phone number on Zomato will be successfully updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Zomato's customer support for assistance.